Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about QUILLBOT AI for paraphrasing articles. In specific, we can able to discuss with real-time example how we can able to paraphrase it and how it is going to be efficiently used in terms of making your article in a quicker way. We can go to Google search page and we can directly type as QUILLBOT. So it will take you to the website QUILLBOT. So here we are having many things: add to Chrome, paraphraser, grammar checker, plagiarism checker. We are having many things. So in specific, we are going to see in this video about paraphraser. So this is your paraphrasing window. So where we can able to see standard, fluency, formal, simple, creative, synonym, and other things, right? So we will see it one by one what are the things it is going to say. So standard says whatever content you are going to paraphrase, it is going to be in a normal format as like in the same fluency content what you have written in your research article. So for an example, I will go to my one of my article. So this is one of my articles. So I can able to go to that article. So I can able to search that pages. I can go to that page. So what is the problem we will face while we are doing these kind of articles is like if you are going to make a reference again in your next program or in your next article. So you might have already used those references. So assume that you have used a reference of this one. So epileptic seizure prediction using hybrid feature selection like this, it is already being cited by you. So in which content you have cited? So you have said like epilepsy is a neurological disorder. So this is the place where you have cited this article, right? So again, if you want to cite this article for the same thing in your next article, so you have to change the content of those articles, right? So this has to be replaced with some other words or some other sentences so that it will not come under the category of plagiarism while you are going into Turnitin, right? So the same thing, if I want to be using this abstract, so I might be needing the same abstract contents again in my next article. So I have to paraphrase these things and I have to use it as some other sentence which is not being used by me, right? So I can directly copy that content which I want to paraphrase and I can able to move to the paraphraser. So here our limitations is 125 words in our free version. So you can able to directly enter using your login. So I have already logged in. So you can able to log in with your own Gmail account or your creating your any of your account. So, but if you are going to upgrading to premium, you can able to get with some other options like it's not limited to 125 words and other things. You can able to see that. Yeah. So here I have copied 228 words, but I'm having limitation of 125 words, right? So I can able to limit my contents to 125. Okay. So I can able to take it and I can able to, yeah. So exactly 125 we have done. So anyway, I will remove the some other content which is not giving any meaning. So this is the content which I have to paraphrase it and I have to use it in some other words in my next article. So first we will move with standard. So it is going to be looking similar as like your own content. So much of the contents will not be changed. So same language, same kind of content. So epilepsy is one of the most common neurological disorder affecting the quality of life of patient and their families, right? So one of the common neurological disorders, epilepsy, makes sufferers and their families anxious about the potential future features, right? So it is going to be in the same language with the same orientation. So if I want to go to the category of fluency, you can able to check it. So again, you can able to paraphrase it and you can able to get the contents. So it is going to be little more better than your standard version. So if you want to be keeping the similar words in your contents, you can able to go to this synonym. So if your synonym is at minimum, so it is going to be fewer changes will be made to your sentences. If you are increasing your synonym, so there will be more number of changes which is being incorporated in terms of using of words, right? So if you are going to move to the next synonym range, so most of the contents of the pages will be changed. So this is furthermore beyond if you want to use it, it is going to be for your premium version. So all other things, formal, simple, creative, all other things are going to be your categories of your premium version. So, but this is more than sufficient for writing your conference and research articles. It is going to be much better compared to your normal contents which you are trying to write. So this is the thing which I have given. So I can able to paraphrase it if I am not convinced with this kind of sentences. So I can able to go to that sentence and I can ask them to rephrase it. So if I am going to rephrase it, so it is going to give in the contents of standard or fluency. So if it is going to be standard, it is going to be giving me a few other options in standard text, which is not going to change much of your contents of your already existing file. So if it is going to be fluency, so most stress is given to the fluency of their content, and along with that, there will be 2 or 3 choices which you can able to make. So if this is not being used by you, if you want to move it to some other sentences, so I can able to move to that particular sentence also. So that particular sentence is getting copied here, right? So in specific, if you want to be moving to a specific word, and if you want to change the meaning of that word, or if I want to change some other word with the same meaning, so instead of paraphrasing, I can able to go to that place and I can able to keep that and I can able to press that one. So it can able to give. So which is going to be short and long, right? Both short and long. So like this, I can able to get the synonyms of that one. Yeah, need, for, yeah, need, the need, necessity. So these are the things or words which can be replacing these words, right? So I can able to use those kinds of words also. So consequences, if I want to give some other synonym of that one. So these are the synonyms of that consequences. So whichever you are feeling which is going to be more suitable for your sentence formation, please use that one. So if you are not convinced with this one, so you can able to again rephrase it so that it can able to give some other sentences. So before rephrasing, try to copy that content and keep it ready for your, since if it is going to be changed, we can't able to get back to the previous one. So if you want to download, I can able to download and the thing is going to be downloaded in terms of Word format. And if I want to see the statistics of conversion, so you can able to see, so what are the words we can able to have? Average words in going to be 47 to 44.5. So average syllables. So these are the things, readability 7%, 7%. Differences, what are the different sentences count it has been made. So two sentences are there, both the sentences have been changed and the count is from 94 words to 89 words. Character count 614 words to 594 words. So percentage it has changed, it is 16 percentage change in your sentences. So like this we can able to see the statistics also. So these things can able to give you some better convenient sentence formation if you are already used that word in terms of your things. So if I'm going to use this one, so I have already used this citation, right? So in terms of content, so this is the content in what are the places I have used my article, right? So if I want to take this content and I have to write in some other word which is not going to change the meaning of that one, so I can able to remove it and I can able to place it here. So it is saying that it is having 44 words. You can able to paraphrase it and you can able to see how much it can able to change, right? So it is not going to change the meaning of that sentence, but it is going to give an uh, the some other representation of sentences which can able to give the same meaning, right? So if I want to change the things in terms of your paraphrasing, so I can able to rephrase it. So in terms of fluency, I can able to use this sentence. If it's going to be in terms of standard, I can able to use some other representation of sentences which is not going to alter my meaning of my sentence, right? So I can able to use this. So I can able to see the statistics. If I want to, despite if I want to change the synonym of that one, I can able to click on that one. So free of fear. So regardless of the fact, even though, despite the reality. So these are the things which can able to be replaced. So try to understand it and try to change it. Sometimes if you just keep on changing those words, the exact meaning of the sentence will not be there. So make sure that you are not going to change the meaning of that sentence, but you have to somehow you have to paraphrase it so that you are not going to use the same contents again and again in your next articles also. So in next video we can able to understand about grammar checker, co-writer, all those things we will check it one by one. So paraphrasing is a very good and efficient tool given by QUILLBOT for our research community so that we can able to make use of it with free. Okay. Thank you for your patience.